What are Facebook ads? So Facebook ads are the things that appear in your Facebook news feed, whether you're on your phone or whether you're on your desktop, you'll see Facebook ads and they will show up in your regular news feed as you click on the little news feed button, or they'll show up in the upper right-hand corner. And so what you see here are two examples. They typically have the word sponsored underneath them. Sometimes they'll look like a regular post, like someone is posting something about a baby being born or somebody getting married or something funny that happened. And if you check right below the words of the first part of that, you'll see whether or not it says sponsored. If it says sponsored, then that's actually an ad. If there's like a date timestamp, then that's actually someone's real post. But in any case, people have gotten really creative in how they create Facebook ads, what they may look like, whether it's a graphic that they're using to target or get people to click on their ad or to see their ad, whether it's a video, whether it's a graphic, whether it's a photo, whether it's just plain text. There's many different ways in which people will create Facebook ads. Sometimes if they're advertising something that they want to sell, they'll do like a long Facebook ad, a long story post. And other times they'll take their existing posts and potentially boost those. If they've already got a Facebook fan page, they'll boost those and they will show up as sponsored posts as well. You can also boost or promote an event. So you can pay that your actual Facebook event shows up as an ad. So there's so many different ways in which you might see them, but typically they're in the middle of your newsfeed and they're in the upper right-hand corner.